The next domino has clinked over in our healthcare system, where in Maryland, hospitalizations double since November, where the Maryland Department of Health reports that in November, around 208 people were hospitalized on November 4th, and 452 were hospitalized by Christmas Day, where medical professionals are reporting that these hospitalized patients are showing gastrointestinal symptoms like nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and chills, which without testing makes it difficult to determine whether the patient is suffering from the flu or COVID, which is incredibly frustrating because it seems like the hospitals aren't specifically testing for COVID currently. And the impacts of these types of things can be seen in Hillsdale, Michigan, where the hospital restricts visitors due to outbreaks of COVID, RSV, and flu, where they're seeing an uptick of cases from COVID and an increase in the number of people being hospitalized due to COVID related symptoms. And that to keep babies and their mothers safe, the hospitals are mandating that only masked and healthy parents, grandparents, and a designated support person will be admitted to see babies in the hospital. And this is to protect infants from potentially fatal infections, and this is for newborn infants. And furthermore, that the visitors can only go in two at a time after the birth.